Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're going to show you the top 3 features of the Beko B3T tumble dryer. It takes care of your clothes by preventing over drying, it makes ironing easier, and it helps to save you money with its efficient performance. So we're going to head over to the lab now to show you things in a little bit more detail. It helps to look after your clothes so they stay looking their very best and helps to prevent energy wastage as well. And it does this by making sure that the cycle stops as soon as your clothes are dry. That's the dry cycle finished, so it measures moisture levels to know exactly when to stop. And this is what prevents damage to your clothes from over drying and also what helps to stop waste energy as well. It also helps to make ironing easier for you as well by preventing your clothes from creasing after a cycle. So if you can't unload right away, the automatic anti-creasing occasionally separates your laundry by rotating the drum for up to 2 hours. It's designed to cut down on running costs and help save you money by being efficient as standard. The heat pump technology effectively dries clothes at lower temperatures and reuses hot air, so it makes it more efficient than other types of tumble dryer. If you'd like any more info on the Beko tumble dryer, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.